Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to explain about AWS CloudFront. So, let's understand what is CloudFront. So, it is a service that makes websites and application load faster for our users worldwide. So, it does this by storing copies of your content like images, videos, or web pages in server speed across the global called edge location. When someone visit your site, CloudFront deliver the content for the server closest to them, reduce the time it takes to load. So why we need CloudFront? For the speed, scalability, and the security purpose and a cost efficiency. So AWS CloudFront enhance performance, ensuring global scalability, strengthens security, and offers cost saving, make it an essential tool for business that deliver content to the user around the world. How AWS CloudFront work? Its first content caging in a edge location, user request, checking for the cage content, fetching from the origin server, content delivered and cage for the further use, cage updated and expiration. So this is the architecture of the CloudFront. So the user check for the cat picture in the edge location. If it is not, if it is get, if it is a cage version, it will return to the user, or else it's get from the origin the cage for the next time. So edge location search in the origin in a S3 EC2 or a API gateway, it will store in the edge location, so the user can easily access the documents or whatever the images, videos, files like that. This is how the CloudFront will work. So let's understand the key features of AWS CloudFront. The first thing is faster content delivery. So by this we can get the content fastly, and scalability, flexibility, and comparative security. The first thing is faster content delivery. By utilizing a global network of edge location, CloudFront can serve content more quickly and reduce latency, providing a better user experience. Scalability, CloudFront automatically scales to handle traffic spikes without needing to manually adjust capacity, ensuring that it can handle millions of requests. Flexibility, features like Lambda at the rate Edge allow you to customize and personalize content based on specific user request, creating a dynamic and tailored experience. Comprehensive security. With built-in DDoS protection or SSL/TS encryption and access control mechanism, CloudFront ensure that your content is delivered securely and remains protected against attacks. So let's see some use case AWS CloudFront. Here I have take website and application content delivery for the static and a dynamic content. So while coming to the static content delivery, CloudFront is commonly used to deliver static contents like images, JavaScript files, CSS files, and HTML files. These files can be caged at CloudFront edges location to serve them quickly to user from the nearest locations, reducing latency and improving load times. So for example, uh, the website with the global user CloudFront cache static files such as logo, images, scripts, and style sheets at the edge location. Whenever a user visits the website, CloudCon servers these files from the nearest edge location, speeding up the overall load time of the site. So the next thing is dynamic content delivery. CloudFront can also deliver dynamic content generated by the web application, by your web application. For example, it may be a personalized data, database queries, or API response. While dynamic content is typically harder to cache, CloudFront can still deliver it with low latency by connecting to your origin servers or applications like EC2 instances or load balancer. For example, for an e-commerce site, CloudFront can serve personalized product recommendation based on user behavior. While the content is dynamic, CloudFront ensure that even these requests are routed to the nearest edge location, improving response time and user experience. So I'll show you one small demo of the CloudFront. So let's go and implement that. So go to CloudFront. So before this, so let's create a one bucket. So create bucket, give the name. So the rest of these things will be default. So click on create bucket. So as the bucket has been created, go inside the bucket. So here we need to upload the files. So here I'm uploading two files. So the thing is, one the image and another one is index file. I'll show you what have been written in the index file. So click on upload. So as this has been written in the HTML file. So this is the HTML, XML, HTTP. This is the header, and in title I have written CloudFront demo. So in the body I have written hello world. Need help with the puzzle? I have a dog for you. So I have given the image path and also a name for that. So this was the um, index file I have written. So yes, so the file has been uploaded. So if you go inside the dog, so here you have a object URL. Copy this and paste here. So if you do like this, it will show an access denied. So what you have to do is open here directly. So it will show a dog picture. This has been uploaded in the S3 buckets. So the bucket part has been done. So let's go to the CloudFront. So here, so let's create a CloudFront distribution. So choose origin. So this puzzle dog just we have created. So scroll down. So in the origin axis, select the second one, origin axis control settings. So which will give the CloudFront access to the bucket, but not nothing else. So the next thing is here you have to create. So name puzzle dog. So create. So the next thing is So here web application firewall, you need to select second one. So do not enable security protection. Next thing is, so as default root object, so it will be a index.html. So click on create distribution and the rest of the thing will be a default one. So it will create. So you see here the S3 bucket policy needs to be updated. So for that, copy the policy. So complete distribution configuration by allowing read access to the cloud for origin access in your policy statement. So go to the S3. So enter to the bucket. So go to permission, scroll down. So here bucket policy, edit. So paste the policy. So here this policy says allow CloudFront service principal to read and to read the object in a S3 bucket. For that purpose it will update it. So save changes. So now go to CloudFront. So see it will showing deploying. So let's wait a few minutes until it's get deployed. So as the modified and the deployment has been done, so copy this domain name, paste it in the Google. So it will appear like this. So the first time here there is no difference of the caching, but first time I came to the page CloudFront, check for this page. Whenever you come for the next time, it will give the content for you. So reload this page. So this one is the cache one. So this is how the CloudFronts will work. And so I'll explain some basics, like real-time example scenario. Here I'm taking a video streaming platform. Imagine you run a video streaming platform like YouTube. Users from all the world watch videos hosted on your platform. So what problems without CloudFront we can face is slow loading. If your videos are stored on a single server in the US, user in India or Europe experience delay because the data has to travel a long distance. Loaded server. If thousands of users try to access the same video at once, your server could slow down or crash. By this, how CloudFront help us? So by CloudFront, we can faster loading. CloudFront stores copies of your videos in multiple locations worldwide. So a user in India gets the video from a server nearby, making it a load faster. Handles traffic. When many users watch the same videos, CloudFront distributes the traffic across its global server, preventing overloading. So, secure content. CloudFront encrypt data and ensure secure video delivery, protecting against hackers. By this, your users enjoy smooth and fast video streaming no matter where they are, and your platform handles high traffic without slowing down. So this is how the cloud fonts works. So I'll show you how to delete the resources. So the first thing, go to buckets. So before this, go to cloud font distribution. So click here. So first you need to disable this, or else you won't delete this item. So disable things, disable. So parallelly go to buckets. So click on this. First we need to empty the bucket because we have uploaded two files, right? One is image file and another one is a text file. So delete this. So the bucket now empty. So select this, delete now. So copy this name, paste over here, delete bucket. The bucket has been deleted. Now go to the cloud font. So still it's deploying. It need to be stopped. Let's wait few minutes. Still it is in a deployment stage only. Took few minutes, I think, to modify it. So as the deployment has been completed, so click here and click on delete. This is how the resources, to delete the steps. So this all about the cloud font, how it will work. Thank you.